Hi, my name is ex3OlabisiK and I'll be presenting my exercise 3. This is my activity main.xml code. And this is my main activity. This is my source code. Start from the beginning. This is my text and this is my design. So let's see, I enter 12 and 2. When I click multiply, so 12 times 2 is 24. And ask info, it brings out all the infos. And when I enter, let's say 100 meters to centimeter, that's 10,000. Yeah, 10,000. Then 100 meters kilometer, that's 0.1. So this is what we did in class, and what I added to this was I added a divide button. So whenever I click 12 divided by 2, it gives me 6, or let's say another number, 50 divided by 4, 25. Okay, looks good. And I also added yard. So if I convert 100 meters to yard, it tells me the conversation on the display screen. That'll be all. Thank you.